guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we have just made history. I think we should be named as the party that always breaks boundaries and makes history. Because honestly, we are just making history. Left, right, and center. Left, right, and center. Last night, Kuma by-elections in I think it's Middle Pass in the Western Cape. We have our first ward councillor, Ward 1. Yes, Umkhonto weSizwe Party won by 36%. ANC had 26%, EPA itole 19%, EFF yatola 15%, EDA yatola 2%. So in Middle Pass, there are 1,197 MK Party votes. MK Party votes. I am so happy. Don't forget to support the channel by ordering soccer jerseys. Yes, we are selling soccer jerseys kule channel. They cost 300 rand. All you have to do is WhatsApp this number 0607428876 if you want these soccer jerseys. You can even send a picture of your preferred soccer jersey that you would like to order and just send it to my WhatsApp, and then mina ngizobona ukuthi ngihlela kanjani. All orders are processed through PEP, Pexi, and Courier Guy. PEP, when all you have to do is go to your nearest PEP and get a store code where you just send it to me. I know this is my store code. Please send my parcel to this location, and then I'll do that. A courier to PEP will cost you 100 rand, and then a Courier Guy will cost you 120, depending on the location where you are at. If you prefer a Courier Guy option, I really wish about choose a PEP, because PEP is much easier than a Courier Guy. PEP, all you have to do is take your ID to that PEP store that you chose to collect your parcel. Yeah, guys, please support the channel. This will help for me to be able to buy equipment. I have kept amount to as little as I can possibly can. 300 rand, and izosiza kakhulu guys ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiye kuma events kunokuthi ngilinda you guys as subscribers to donate to the channel. So ngifuna ukuthenga equipment for channel njengoba nibona nje I don't even have a mic yabona, and I want to change channel to kwenza podcast. So to change that, I would need capital, since this channel is not sponsored at all. I know sponsorship, it's just an independent channel that you guys want me to continue to bring you all the breaking news politically, all the MK Party news, but then I was run a channel without funds. So that's when you guys come in. Please support the channel. Please order soccer jerseys. It will really help. MK Party now has 4 ward councillors. Sine councillor Rustenburg, yes, Mzumbe, Richmond, namanje sesinekhansela la Middle Pass here in the Western Cape. So we have 4 ward councillors. 4 ward councillors. And asikaqedi ngisho 2 years. Asikaqedi ngisho 2 years njalo as a political party. We just celebrated our 1-year anniversary 3 months ago. Last year December, we were celebrating our first anniversary, Moses Mabhida. So you can't tell me ukuthi iparty entsha sha macekeceke yenza imangalise ngaya. MK Party is trending for all the wrong reasons. MK Party is trending for all the wrong reasons. But look at the results. Athina ma results. MK Party la Middle Pass yathola 7, I think it was 7, yes, 7% kuma national elections last year May, and now isithola 36%. Tell me, 36% from 9. 36%. It should tell you we are growing. We are growing. I would like to thank Wongama Ground Forces, MK Party, especially futhi bonge futhi ku-Deputy President womkhonto wesizwe, our Deputy President uDr Hlophe. Awushayile iground dokotela, awushayile iground, futhi uyalishaya iground eWestern Cape. We have to applaud our Deputy President uDr John Hlophe for that. We have to applaud him. Siyabonga kakhulu Ground Forces for coming nibe on the ground in campaign. Buka DSG we-ANC uNomvula Mokonyana ube organize isiyanqoba rally last week Sunday, but still bahluleka ukuwina kuleli wadi. Sebebize the big guns, bathi Nomvula ama big guns ANC, but still bahluleka, just to show ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party is here. Angazi ngoba blind mungaboni. We are coming for each and every one in this country. Come 2026. 2026 is less than a year. It is less than a year, and we are just hitting the ground. We are just taking all these by-elections. Next by-elections, sikwaDukuza on the 2nd of April. So we Dukuza, and I am sure we are coming kaDukuza with Solanda Dukuza. We are going to win kwaDukuza.